the old coating off, polished it, got a little more shot.
Dude, look at how wet this thing looks. It looks crazy.
Got some haze out of the vinyl.
So how did you get the haze out? You were explaining that to me before. You like used heat?
Yeah, a little bit of heat. For some reason, 3M has a haze to it right out of the box, but it goes away with a little temperature. We run the heat gun over it, and it clears it up. But we went a little extra to try and get more out of it, and I think we
really
did.
good.
I think it looks pretty good.
I think so too.
I'm excited to see it outside.
So me too. So how much like ceramic is on this thing?
A silver package, 9H and light ceramic pro.
Dang, dude, looks really good. Super, super clean. I can't wait to see this thing outside too. A little bit lower in the front. That looks, oh my, it looks so much better than before. It looks unbelievable.
We do okay.
We do some things all right here. Looking good. Looking super good. Man. Thank you for all your help, man.
Thank you, sir.
Appreciate it.